Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Abdul Karim, and this is a special episode of Cure to the Waswas. You know, the Waswas, it affects us all in different ways. You know, some Muslims out there, they hardly get it at all, they don't even notice it. And some Muslims out there, they feel like screaming out, why is this happening to me? You know what? Here's a simple thing to momentarily boost your love and faith in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You know, you're out there getting the waswas and you just, sometimes it can be really bad. Some Muslims out there, you get it really bad and you're just like, why? I wish this would stop. You know what? You're not growing insane. You're not going crazy. You're not losing your mind. But this is a sign of faith. And people are like, what? A sign of faith? How can these terrible thoughts, these terrible whispers that we'll be getting be a sign of faith? Brothers and sisters, think of it logically like this. You are on the path of Islam. You're walking down the road of Islam. You know, you're heading towards the glory, the greatness, the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And the devil, you know, Iblis, he can't enter the road. But he can walk beside it. He's going to try and get you to the road that leads to Jahannam, leads you to hell. You know, that's his goal, that's his dream, is to get you to Jahannam. Because he hates humans. You know, there's people out there who worship Iblis, and for some reason they think that the devil loves humans. No, the devil hates humans. He just wants to see us dead. He wants us to see us in a carnage pit of our own blood. That's what Iblis wants. But we're getting off topic here, but this is just what Iblis wants. So remember that the only reason you're getting the waswas is because you're on the road to faith. You're on the road to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You know, if you weren't on this road, Iblis wouldn't care about you. The people who have no faith, or believing in the wrong thing. You know, they believe in that a prophet is God. Yeah, they believe that they're gonna worship some guy who's lying down, or they're gonna believe that worshipping some multi-headed thing, or some animal, or some statue, or some sticks and stones is gonna lead them to paradise. You know, these people, they believe that, and they are dancing to the tune of Iblis. They're dancing to the tune of the devil. You know, the devil is laughing at them. And he doesn't need to give them waswas. These people are free of the waswas. These people do not have it because they're already doing the wrong thing. They're already dancing to Iblis's tune, to the devil's tune. You know, I urge you, brothers and sisters, when the waswas comes, say thank you. You're showing me that this is a sign of faith. And you know what? The Iblis, the devil, the shayateen, it will hear that thought of yours and it would realize, oh, look how stupid I am. Look what I'm doing. It's making this person have more faith. It's having the reverse effect. It's reverse psychology. Brothers and sisters, I'm giving you these tips and these tricks to learn how to combat Iblis, how to combat them at their own game. You know, the only reason, the sole reason you have the waswas is because you're on the right path. It's because you have faith. You know, sometimes the waswas comes and it tells us we don't have faith, we're sinning. You know, everything we do is wrong. You know, our faith is, we don't really have faith. You know, are we really fooling ourselves into having faith? You know, these are just examples of people's waswas that they get. You know, a lot of people can really suffer with this because Iblis makes them make you think that you're not having faith. But the truth is, it's the mere presence of the waswas means you're on the right path. You're doing what Iblis hates. If you're doing what Iblis hates, then obviously you're on the path towards the goodness. You're on the path that he hates. You know, that Iblis hates. So I'm urging each and every one of you, come to the path of Islam. Come to the goodness and the glory and the majesty of Islam. You know, this is the path laid out by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is the path laid out by the creator of the whole universe. You know, the whole universe. The one who created it. Not just our planet. Not just our star. not our moons, and not just all of our planets in our solar system. No, because that's one speck. That's one speck inside a galaxy, and a galaxy is a speck inside the universe. I urge each and every one of you, the Rabb, our Maker, the Maker of everything, the entirety of time, space, universe, history, everything, has laid out this path for us. He's laid out this path, this straight line towards Islam, towards Jannah, towards goodness. So I urge each and every one of you, come to goodness. Remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and come to goodness.
Allahu Akbar, Allah.